Hey you guys, welcome to Janae's Journey. I am Janae Simone and this is Janae's Journey. You've tuned in to the right place. I'm so excited about this video because I got my hands on some new goodies. So my sister's like, oh, they're selling GoPros at Walmart on sale. So I'm like, cool, this is my opportunity. I get to get a GoPro, yes. So I run down to Walmart to get a GoPro. So first thing, they were not on sale. So they were not on sale, but my heart was so sold on it that I absolutely had to get it. I also got the GoPro like handle thing that you can like move. It could be like a tripod and a hand thing, stuff like that. I spent like $500. Yeah, I said that. Now that might not be a lot for some, but I just want to say that I'm a broke college student, so $500 was a lot of money, but I spent it and I'm going to show you guys what I got today. So the first thing I got was the GoPro. So it is the GoPro Hero 7 Black, which is the newest GoPro that they have. So some of its perks is it has 12 megapixels. It can go 33 feet underwater. It can go in slow motion. It has a GPS. It's super smooth, and it also can do live streaming. So we're gonna open up this bad boy and see what it do. I'm so excited because this means that I get to do all the vlogs that I want to do. So I am really excited about that. So let's open this up. So actually, before I tear this box open, I just want you guys to see what it looks like. That's what it looks like. So yeah, this is the new one, the GoPro. So you know, and I have my receipt because I did not spend exactly $500, but it was pretty close. So let me give you guys the exact numbers in case you guys plan on going out and getting this yourself. Okay, so I spent a total of $456.77. Okay, so not quite 500, but it was a grip because I'm broke, y'all. I'm broke, but I want to make sure I get you guys good quality videos, fun videos, and I feel like this was something that I really needed in order to start doing more vlogs because more holidays are coming up, like the 4th of July, and I am going to be vlogging with this GoPro, so definitely stay tuned for that. Yeah, so I spent a total of $456. The GoPro was $350 plus tax, of course, and then I also got the GoPro handle thing, the 3-way grip arm tripod. So it looks like this. Maybe I can see that. So this was $70 plus tax. So yeah. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and open up this GoPro. I'm so excited. So excited. Okay. So we're gonna oh booyah. So yeah, this is it. And we're gonna okay, so it comes with like a GoPro. Oh, this is the warranty. Yeah, and the Walmart guy told me it's a 1-year warranty that comes with it, and then you have to buy like the additional 3 years through them. So anyways, it has some instructions in a few different languages if you're interested. We got some GoPro stickers. I don't know where I'm gonna put these, but all of this is gonna be put to use because I spent the money. So anyways, a manual book, but I'm probably not gonna read that. And then let's see what else. Oh, this thing. I don't know why I just smelled that. I don't know why I just smelled that. But it looks like some kind of adhesive thing. I don't know. But this. And then, okay. Okay, so we have two of these red adhesive things. We have a battery. And then we have a charger. So yeah. So, okay, so as far as the GoPro, let's figure out how to get this off of here. Maybe, oh. I think maybe you, oh wait, I think I'm onto something. So I'm unscrewing this. Oh, no, that's not how you do it. Oh my goodness, that's not how you do it. That's wrong. Okay, all right, so. You guys, I'm super confused about this. Oh, figured it out. So yes, okay. So anyways, you just had to like squeeze the back of this in, and then it actually just pushes forward. And booyah! So the one good thing about spending $500 today on this was that I have a GoPro. Like, that's hecka cool. So I'm super excited about that. So okay, so this is the GoPro. It's super cute and little and accessible for like vlogging, maybe taking some pictures. Anyway, so the next thing that I got was this 3-way grip arm tripod. So let's open this bad boy up. Okay, so this is much simpler. So anyways, we open it up and we're gonna just prop that, prop that out. It came with this screw that probably screws into something, and then we're going to open up the, okay, so what I do know is you're supposed to hold it here. This is the grip part, and then okay, so it can extend and let's see what this does. I'm probably gonna have to read some instructions to figure out how to get this stuff working, but I know it's supposed to be like, it could go like into a tripod. It can do like three different things. Yeah, I just don't know how to get the, the tripod is like, hold on a second. Okay, y'all, so, yeah, I'm gonna have to read some instructions because I know it can go into a tripod, but I'm really not sure how, and I don't want to keep just unscrewing things. So I'm gonna read the directions eventually, but I'm super excited. So this was made by GoPro as well, and this was $70 plus tax at Walmart. The GoPro was $350 plus tax at Walmart. I spent close to $500. But it's gonna be so worth it. You guys are gonna get so much great content from me, and I'm super excited. So yeah, if y'all see me vlogging, know what it's on. It's on the GoPro. The newest black Hero 7 Black GoPro. And yeah, y'all, thanks for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for staying tuned on my journey. It's only gonna get better, as you can see, as y'all helping me come up, I'm coming up. So yeah, I had to go ahead and invest in some new equipment, but it was a grip. But again, I have a GoPro, so I feel pretty good. So anyways, you guys, please like and subscribe to this channel. If you guys have any questions, please comment them below. I should be able to answer them because I'm about to read the instruction manual right now. So yeah, feel free to ask any questions, make any comments, give any suggestions, because I love those. And yeah, I'll see y'all later. Stay tuned to my video. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned to my video. Stay tuned for my channel. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe. All right, you guys, I'm Janae Simone. This is Janae's Journey. Have a great day. Bye. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is so cool. Did you guys just see that? The tripod came out of there. Like, all right, y'all. Okay, I'm out this thing.